Hello YouTube, this is Remy the Phoenix, and we are here today to play some more Risk of Rain. We are going to be playing some more of Hand D here. Hopefully we'll get further than last time. I think we almost beat it last time, didn't we? Yeah. That was like my maybe third time ever playing as him. Probably first or second time ever playing as him actually trying to beat the game. And not just testing him. Oh yeah. Massive damage this guy does, even right off the bat. Okay. We don't have enough money for that. No, I did just get done doing a practice round with him. Just to kind of get back in the swing of things, because I haven't played this game in a few days. We're not going to get that, currently. Just because I want to make sure I can get enough loot to make it through the next few levels. Easily enough, at least. Alright. What's funny is, even these guys, when they hit me, don't do that much damage. Oh, I almost got him up on the ledge there. That would have been funny. Oh, he got his last little hit off before I killed him. Oh yeah, 17 per drone at level 3. That's not bad, I suppose. Alright, we do not have enough money for either of those things. Damn. Alright. Hopefully this gives us enough money for at least the chest. And we can do the, imp thing. Yeah, imps. Right? They're imps? Aw. So close to killing that one. And I could have with the other drones, but didn't feel it necessary. I wonder how many drones it would take to kill these little baby imps here. Let's try it. Oh, I don't have enough money. Thought that would give me enough money. Alright. That gives me enough money for at least the first try. Alright, let's see if these things... They do! Nice! Ooh, happiest mask. Killing an enemy summons a ghost of that enemy. Very nice. Okay. Except for, like, jellyfish, who seem to be immune to effects like that, which is kind of bullcrap in my opinion. Nice. So, when you hit a jellyfish, I don't think you take damage until they're actually on your hitbox. But who knows? Dang, 34, really? Let's see if that kills something. Probably not going to get me to 34 gold. Oh, yes it does! Exactly. Nice. Very nice indeed. Okay. Boom. And unfortunately I don't have enough drones for that, but there we go. Screw that guy. Not going to bother with him. This guy we will, though. Come on. I hate how it stuns them and knocks them back out of your range. I mean, I guess it's nice for some things, but when you're fighting on one-on-one or even like 3-on-1 terms with this guy, it's kind of annoying. Stupid fire guy. Kill him, Ghosty! Man, the ghost does barely any damage. Killed that thing with just drones. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's go get the loot up here and then we'll summon the boss. And maybe grab any loot on the middle upper area. Because I haven't checked that out yet. Smash! Okay. Let's see. Oh, I wanted to jump up here. Nothing up there? Okay. And you Thank you. Ooh, another imp totem. Not bad. Come on. I hate how they're like on each side of me, so I have to exchange punches. Or change punches. Punch directions. Alright, is that no chest? Okay. Oh, come on. Hold on, let's go take care of these guys first. There we go. Got that, and go ahead and do this. Kill him. Ooh, nice. Jar of Souls as a use item. Very nice item. We're gonna want to wait to use it, though. Let's just go and get the... Oh yeah, that was a lot of damage. Let's go get the, teleporter. Yeah, alright, heal up a little more, I guess. That's probably good. Is it 3? No, 4. Oh, I missed. Oh well. Wow, that was pretty spread out gold. I wonder if I killed something that I didn't necessarily realize. Crit on the, I think that was a crit. Alright, let's do this now. Ooh, Colossus. Nicely done. Still too early to Jar of Souls, really. Can I hit him from here? I can. Oh, man. Oh, the hilarity of this. Come on. Come on. Let's go ahead and Jar of Souls, just to get everything else kind of doing something. Send out all of our drones. Oh yeah. That there is nice. The hammer thing is just an awesome move to use on groups. Come on, dude. Back off. Alright, let's try this. Nice. Ooh, and the Will-O-Wisp thing. Also very nice. I think I just activated the overclock mid-swing on that. Which is pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that. Let's see if we can take them out with just drones now. Alright. One enemy remaining. Ah, this guy. Boom. Suck it. Alright. Sky Meadow. Field of Spirits. Or Sprites. I think it was Spirits. Okay. So strategy on this one is just to kind of get it done as fast as possible. This one isn't too terrible, actually. So, you know, we can kind of hang around and get a lot of loot. But if we find the teleporter early on, we're going to go ahead and activate it. Oh man, one hit for that jellyfish. Alright. 94, huh? Nothing down there. Boom, boom. Come on. There we go. Ah, banner. War banner is not a bad item, but because it's not always helping you, there are better ones. But when it does help you, oh man, it's pretty good. Helps your regen, helps your damage, helps your defense. It's just all around good. Alright, let's try and get these jellyfish grouped up. One big slam. Alright, let's see if... Come on. Fine, I'll do it myself. Come on, then. Boom. Boom. Kill the jellyfish. Alright. Maybe it's all the way to the right, or on the top right. Oh, we can't. Oh, wait, no, this is just a jump over. Never mind. Stupid wisps. I don't like wisps. They are one of the more annoying enemies, even more annoying than the children and the adults. Okay. Anything up here? No? Oh, damn. I officially don't know where this thing is. Nicely done. Alright. Oh, there it is. Bam! Ancient Wisp, huh? Great. Alright, come on. Let's go ahead and use that early so that we can use it later. And kaboom! Kaboom. Leveled up. Oh, the attack speed here is amazing. Just look at how fast I'm punching, man. I mean, seriously. Amazing. Boom. Holy crap. Okay, run away. Whew. Heal, please. Thank you. That's nice healing. And now they're fighting amongst themselves, which is nice. Come on. Oh. Boom. Boom. Is that it? No. More, of course, spawn. Alright. Come on. There we go. Okay. So, this guy's pretty dang awesome to get used to him. He's kind of the exact opposite of the Huntress in my mind. That's not a bad thing, it's just kind of, you know, thing. Let's go ahead and get some damage, I suppose. Come on, then. Alright. We're dealing decent damage to him. It could be better, but it's good for what we're doing. Oh, yeah. And there he goes, and boom! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, rapid mitosis. Which is awesome. Let's go ahead and use it then. Ooh, and level up. Look at how fast we're punching, man. Suck it. Freaking wisps. Come down here. Alright, now can we kill the 2 enemies remaining with all our drones? Maybe? It doesn't look like it, damn. Because I don't know who's left. The Jar of Souls is kind of inexact that way. It makes you think that the nearest enemy, even though it's one of your shadows, is still an enemy. Okay. So we almost killed one of them with all those drones. Alright. One Super Smash for victory. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, this Handy, if you look at his, well, I got a little, here, we can do it here. You see that little orange thing on his head? If the little red crit dot thing, oh wait, that's not the teleporter, what am I doing? The little red crit dot thing wasn't there, it kind of looks like he has a hat on, which is kind of funny, like, you know, a janitor's hat. I think that's just kind of funny. I'm not sure if that's what they intended it to be, but that's kind of what it looks like to me. Alright, oh, water, right. We're underwater. Okay, so let's check up to make sure that the teleporter isn't there before we go elsewhere, because you can't get up, you have to go one way out of this area. Ah, it is here. Cool. Well, we can go ahead and activate it. Wandering vague crap. That's just the one we didn't want for the U. Alright. It's ghost people. And kaboom! Kaboom. Oh, and we died. Wow! We needed more, well, we had bustling fungus. We needed more innate healing items. Alright. Well, back to main menu. Next time, we'll be going in as the engineer, who's an awesome guy. In fact, let's go back to main menu. You can see him walking there. He looks kind of funny, I think. Anyway, I've been Remy. This has been Risk of Rain. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.